Current hex cost really is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Hex cost examination in a real sense is negative today, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. First help level for hex especially is at $0.030, or so they in a real sense thought. 02 September 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through hex cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these as often as possible, especially clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What in every practical sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for hex. Certainly is hex a very wise venture, or so they all things considered thought. Hex help and opposition levels and so forth, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the hex specialized examination in every practical sense, let us especially discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,044,536,289,332, which fundamentally is very critical. The all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $29,925,801,445 in a very huge way. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a huge manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level, after a vertical development of 0.6%, by and large further appearance. How market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,044,536,289,332, which basically is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.59%. Coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time span. Certainly further appearance how 02 September 2023. In this video, we will basically walk you through hex cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some things. Facts. What truly is truly momentary cost expectation for hex in a real sense? Is hex a very wise speculation? Most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP by and large is up by 0.14. And right now exchanging at 50 cents in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,044,536,289,332 in an exceptionally large manner. These occasions really demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a descending bearing for genuinely present moment, which certainly shows that hex help and obstruction levels and so on, which by and large is genuinely critical. Right now, a by and large broad in every way that really matters. Negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which sort of is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more fundamentally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense shows that hex help and opposition backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which basically is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants basically move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of is very critical. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The everyday graph of hex generally shows that the hex cost especially has an in every way that really matters, descending development with a 1.19% diminishing in kind of beyond 24 hours, so first help level for hex in a real sense is at $0.030 in a kind of huge manner. The value worth of the hex coin sort of is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, showing how hex help and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely enormous manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, showing that the especially all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $29,925,801,445 in an unpretentious manner. Hex value examination hex cost investigation for 02 September 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how hex value investigation hex cost investigation for 02 September 2023, insight a truly day-to-day time period, generally made sense of underneath, in a sort of significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to sort of break down the future development of the hex. Truly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which certainly is genuinely huge. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, showing how hex help and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a really significant way. Hex financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the for the most part day-to-day outline. So hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, showing that the kind of complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $29,925,801,445 in an unpretentious manner. Hex essentially has a kind of the closest opposition of $0.036, showing that the MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how hex help and obstruction backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to recognize fundamentally key cost levels.